Western Uttar Pradesh is a region in India that comprises the western districts of Uttar Pradesh state, including the areas of Rohilkhand and Braj. The region has some demographic, economic and cultural patterns that are distinct from other parts of Uttar Pradesh, and more closely resemble those of Haryana and Rajasthan states. Western Uttar Pradesh has experienced rapid economic growth, in a fashion similar to Haryana and Punjab, due to the successes of the Green Revolution. A major part of Western Uttar Pradesh is a part of National Capital Region of India. Demographics. The population of Western Uttar Pradesh is composed of a varied set of communities and tribes, including Ahyars, Brahmins, Dalits, Gujars, Jats, Jatavs, Kurmis, Rajputs, Rohilkhand, Pashtuns, Chamars and Tigers. According to Hindustan Times, Jats make up around 17% of the population of Western Uttar Pradesh. These various castes are concentrated in this region and comprise nearly 40% of the population in Meerut, Muzaffarnagar, Saharanpur, and Bainar districts of Western Uttar Pradesh. As per 2001 census, the total population of Western Uttar Pradesh is 55,717,132, out of which 72.69% is Hindu and 25.89% is Muslim. Although Hindus are in a large majority, the percentage of Muslims in Western Uttar Pradesh is higher than in Uttar Pradesh as a whole. Out of 77 assembly seats in this region, Muslim candidates won 26 seats in the 2012 assembly elections. Several communities are bi-religious, with both Hindu and Muslim components, e.g., the Tigers, who have a Muslim Tyagi sub-community although they are largely Hindu. A region's Rohis are descended from immigrant groups from centuries ago, and a large sub-region of Western Uttar Pradesh, Rohilkhand, takes its name from the Pashtun tribe. Sikhs from West Punjab, which came from Pakistan after partition, also migrated to the area in large numbers. Western Uttar Pradesh has gained notoriety for accounting for 30% of the total honor killings in the country, according to a survey done by IDWA. Religious riots in Western Uttar Pradesh. Western Uttar Pradesh has a history of religious riots happening frequently. Many Hindu and Muslim riots happened in Meerut and Muzaffarnagar. Beginning on the 27th of August 2013, clashes between the Hindu and Muslim communities of the Muzaffarnagar district have claimed 43 lives and injured 93. A girl from the Hindu Jat community was stalked by a Muslim youth in Kadal village. In retaliation, a Muslim youth named Shahnawaz Qureshi was killed by two brothers of the girl, Sachin Singh and Gaurav Singh. The two brothers were lynched by a Muslim mob when they were trying to escape. Another major riot in Meerut took place on the 22nd of May 1987, during the Hindu-Muslim riots in Meerut city in Uttar Pradesh state, India, when 19 personnel of the provincial armed constabulary allegedly rounded up 42 Muslim youth from the Hashimpura Mohalla of the city, took them in truck to the outskirts, near Muradnagar in Ghaziabad district, where they were shot and the bodies were dumped in water canals. A few days later, dead bodies were found floating in the canals. In May 2016, of the 19 accused surrendered, and were later released on bail, while 3 were already dead. The trial of the case was transferred by the Supreme Court of India in 2002 from Ghaziabad to a sessions court at the Hazari complex in Delhi, where it is the oldest pending case. A riot broke out in Kanth village of Moradabad on the 27th of June 2014, over installation of loudspeakers at a religious place, which was objected by another community. The tension prevailed for over a week, accompanied by frequent clashes. Another riot occurred between the Sikh and Muslim communities in Saharanpur over a land dispute, killing 3 and injuring many people. As much as 13 companies of the Rapid Action Force, the PAK and CRPF, were conveyed by the government to take control of the situation after imposing curfew in riot-hit areas of Saharanpur. Geography. Western Uttar Pradesh shares borders with the states of Uttarakhand, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, as well as a brief international border with Nepal in Pilibhit district. Major cities and towns include Bareilly, Agra, Mathura, Noida, Greater Noida, Moradabad, Amroha, Ghaziabad, Bulandshahr, Meerut, Hapur, Saharanpur, Aligarh, Muzaffarnagar, Rampur, Shahjahanpur, Etah, Firozabad, Mainpuri, Shamli and Etawah. Soil conditions. Western Uttar Pradesh's soil and relief has marked differences from that of the eastern part of the state. The soil tends to be lighter textured loam, with some occurrences of sandy soil. Some loess soil is continuously deposited by winds blowing eastwards from Rajasthan's Thar Desert. Precipitation. Western Uttar Pradesh receives rain through the Indian monsoon and the western disturbances. The monsoon carries moisture northwards from the Indian Ocean, occurs in late summer and is important to the kharif for autumn harvest. Western disturbances, on the other hand, are an extratropical weather phenomenon that carry moisture eastwards from the Mediterranean Sea, the Caspian Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. They primarily occur during the winter season and are critically important for the main staple of the region, wheat, which is part of the Rabi spring harvest. Administrative divisions. Western Uttar Pradesh includes 26 districts in 6 divisions: Meerut Division, Saharanpur Division, Moradabad Division, Bareilly Division, Agra Division, Aligarh Division. Districts: Meerut, Bulandshahr, Gautam Buddha Nagar, Ghaziabad, Hapur, Bapat, Saharanpur, Muzaffarnagar, Shamli, Moradabad, Bina, Rampur, Amroha, Sambal, Bareilly, Badaun, Pilibhit, Shahjahanpur, Agra, Firozabad, Mainpuri, Mathura, Aligarh, Etah, Hathras, Kasganj. Bapat demands for statehood. In Uttar Pradesh, the cultural divide between the east and the west is considerable, with the Punjabis often being clubbed with Biharis. Also, while the Green Revolution resulted in a rapidly rising standard of living in western Uttar Pradesh, eastern Uttar Pradesh did not benefit to the same extent. These cultural and economic disparities are believed to have fueled the demand for separate statehood in western Uttar Pradesh. A separate entity would likely become a prosperous smaller state similar to Haryana and Punjab, under greater political control of local ethnic groups. Some politicians and parties have demanded that western Uttar Pradesh be granted statehood under the name Haryana Pradesh. Braj Pradesh and Pashkam Pradesh are alternative names that have been proposed, because the region incorporates the historic region of Braj and is the western part of Uttar Pradesh respectively. Highway connectivity. Noida Greater Noida Expressway, Yamuna Expressway, Upper Ganges Canal Expressway. The Upper Ganges Canal Expressway is an 8-lane access-controlled expressway proposed for the right bank of the Upper Ganges Canal, from Sanur to Bridge to near Perkazi on the Uttar Pradesh-Uttarakhand border.